Well, these are the top 5 winning products that I have chosen for you guys, which you can start selling in right now in this October. All these products that I have chosen for you guys has a potential of making around $1 million in sales or more. So let us check out those products out right now. Hey guys, it's Hero Avenger here, professional dropshipper, and let's see today's top 5 winning products that you can sell in right now. Well, before we start, make sure to go down this video and press on the red subscribe button down below for getting the latest dropshipping updates. Well, before we start, in my previous video, Sonal from Brazil has commented me. So congratulations, Sonal, you are the 10 minutes call winner. I have given a reply here. You can see I have given my email address here on your down of your comment section. Just check those comments out right now and send me an email with your details that I can talk with you. Just reply me in this comment and you got the 10 minutes call directly with me. In this we can discuss about that. So send me a message to my email address. I can give you the link that we can start talking in right away. So if you guys also wanted to win a 10 minutes call directly with me, in this we can talk about the different business updates, dropshipping updates, or whatever problems you are having on a dropshipping journey. Let me know in the comment section. Comment down this video in the comment section, and all my upcoming videos, comment your name in the comment section so that I will choose any one of you, like Sonal from Brazil I have chosen, and you will get a 10 minutes call directly with me. In this we can talk about various aspects, every kind of aspects, problems, whatever you are into, problem you are in right now, we can discuss about that. So let us go back to the video again. Well, the first product that I have in the list for you guys is a pretty interesting product. You can see this one, guys. This product is this product. Elastic no tie shoelace, semicircle shoelace for kids and adults. So you will be saying this is a small shoelace, but no, there is a little catch in this one which makes this product pretty insane amount of good product. You can see this product looks like this one. This is some kind of shoelace, and in the shoelace, the issues that you probably also have got in the past as well is to tie out your shoelace. So this solves the problem here. So many people out there have the problem of the issue of getting getting tied their shoelace, and you can see this is a huge problem solver. There is a magnet attached to the end of the shoelaces which helps them not to tie the shoelace. You don't need to tie out the shoelace. It will get attached directly, and within less time you can remove and again put it on your shoes. So you just need to install the shoelace once to your shoes that you normally do, and once you install, you can see how to install is also available here, and you can see there is a magnetic hook that's available, and just this magnetic hook you just need to tie it up directly. It will get attached to your shoelace and you don't need to take it up. So you will need to tie your shoelace and all these things. You can see it will be automatically tied, and you just need to stretch it up and you can just wire this one. This shoelace has got elasticity. That means it will be expanded and directly it will start. You can start wearing this product right away. You can start wearing your shoes without the need to tie out your shoelace. So this product is a huge problem solver. You can see this one, guys. This product has got around 10,616 orders. So this is selling pretty insane, and people are liking because this has got mass market appeal. Whoever is wearing shoes, everyone nowadays is wearing shoes. So whoever is wearing shoes, they will be needing this product, and they will be needing a shoelace, and this will be a huge problem solver for them. So this has got wow effect, mass market appeal, as well as huge problem solver. So this is a go-to-go product that you should start selling in right away at this moment. You can see this has got 396 reviews as well with 5-star reviews. That means this is pretty good. People are liking this product, and people are purchasing this product on their time. So this is a huge good product and huge problem solver that you can start selling in right away. So this was the first product that I am having in the list for you guys.
Like this video right now so my videos can reach to more awesome people like you. And comment down your name in the comment section, so I will choose any one of you from the comment section, and one of you will get a 10 minutes free call directly with me each and every day. So let's get back to the video game.
Well, the fourth product that I have on the list is called Dropshipping Keys Storage Marshall Guitar Keychain. So this is a keychain holder, guys, but it looks like a radio or something with input and all these things. So this looks pretty interesting for me, so I have chosen this one for the fourth product for you guys. This one can be used in the bathrooms, in front of your house, and every places, and you can target this one in the Facebook ads with people who are fond of songs and all those things, songs lovers and all these things. You can target this one in the Facebook ads and in the Instagram meme pages for whoever is there for songs, or who are showing the movies or something, movie pages. You can target this product and start selling this product right away. So it has got around 250 orders. That means it is getting tractions at this moment, and you can sell this one for around approximately, it is costing around 13.99. So you can sell this product with approximately around 29.99 USD, and people will be interesting who are interested in songs lovers and all these things. So they want to get everything in the songs or radio stuffs and all these things. So you can target this product, and it has got 31 reviews with 5-star reviews as well, more. So that means people are loving and people are purchasing this product pretty good. So this product is a pretty good, will be a pretty good seller for you in the future. And right now as well, you can start selling this product right away. It has got mass market appeal because these products can be used in anywhere, in the walls, in the bathrooms, in the anywhere in the starting of your home, on all these things, front of your home, everywhere you can use this product. So this has got a mass market appeal product. So this is looking pretty interesting. So it is a very wow product. It has got wow effect as well in this one. This is pretty cute, and people, you can target this one for songs lovers and all these things. So this product has got mass market appeal, and there will be a little bit margins available. You can see this is costing around 13.9, and you can sell this one at around 29.99 or so. This will be a good price margin for this product. So this was the fourth product that I have in the list for you guys. Well, the fifth product is very interesting to see, guys. You can see one piece Skull Spoon Coffee Teaspoons. You can see spoons are one thing that is required in the kitchens each and every day. In any of your eating stuffs, you just need to take spoons. So this product is pretty interesting because there is a skull type face that's available in front of this product. You can see spoons, there is skull type face that's been embedded in the spoons, which looks pretty interesting, guys. This product has got around different color variants: rose gold, silver. Hope you can see gold, silver, different rose golds and all these things. So this has got huge demand, and there is whoever people who are interested in the the beauty or decorations purpose in the Facebook ads, you can target decorations, home decors and all these things. So this product will be a pretty good seller for those persons as well. This has got around 211 orders. That means this product is getting tractions at this moment, and you should start selling this product right away. It has got 84 reviews with 5-star reviews more. That means people are liking this product, and this product looks pretty interesting, guys. So you should start selling this product right away. You can see it has got around $1.36. It's costing around $1.36. You can sell this product at around 5.99 USD. This will be a good price point for this product. You can start selling this product right away, and it looks pretty interesting. And if you target around home decors or kitchen stuffs in the Facebook ads, you will definitely get a good amount of sales with a high profit margin. So this is a product that's got mass market appeal product and some wow effect in it, with the profit margins also available here. So this is a perfect winning products for you guys. These were the top 5 winning products that I had for in the list for today's video for you guys. I hope you have liked this video, guys. Make sure you like this video right now. And I want to tell you one more again, This guy Sonil from Brazil is the winner from the last commenter on my videos. So you have got a 10 minutes call directly with me. So I have given you an email in the comment sections down below this video. Just send me your details in the email sections or send me an hi. I will send you a link so that we can talk, we can discuss about your business goals and business problems and everything in that one. Make sure you share this video with all of your friends and family so that they can start their dropshipping journey right away. And if you like dropshipping products, dropshipping updates, making money online videos, make sure you press down this video, go down this video and press on the red subscribe button down below, because I will send you notification whenever I come up with a new and fresh strategies of making money online. When you subscribe here, you will get notified. So this was the top 5 winning products that you can start selling in for this moment. Make sure you like this video right away. I will meet you on my next upcoming video with various dropshipping products, dropshipping updates and all those things, and very interesting and fun stuff that are coming for you guys. So I will meet you on my next upcoming video. Till then, enjoy.